Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good. So today I'm going to show you delete and soft delete in Laravel. So firstly I'm going to show you delete, and after that I'll show you how you can achieve soft delete. So you can clearly see the difference between delete and soft delete. So let's get started. So here I have one form for task add. So here I'm just going to add one task. Let's say soft delete tutorial, same in description and submit. So let's go to DB and check. So one entry is there. So now let's create another task as well. So let's say second task and second, and now let's check in DB. So here you can see two entries is there. So now let me show you code level. So here you can see in web.php base URL is going to task controller index function. So in that my form is loaded. So here you can see form with the title and description that is submitted using Ajax, and that is going to save task form. So now let's go to web.php, and save task form is going to task controller store function. So in store function you can see I'm just normally inserting in my DB. After that I have created one URL for delete that is going to destroy function of this. So here we will be writing code to delete our task. So here you can see I'm getting one argument here, that is ID. So I'll be using that ID to find my task. So here I task, and with find I can get the model of that particular ID. So let's hold that in a variable, and after that just simply write task with delete function call on it. So delete function will delete that entry from the table. So here as such I'm not applying any validations, you can check for it. So here I'm just going for that if task is empty or not. If task is not empty, then just delete the task. So now let's go to browser. So here you can see two entries. So now let's write that URL delete task and pass one ID with it. So here you can see now first entry is deleted, and here we are having second task. So you can see here entry from DB is deleted. So now let me show you how soft delete is working. So for that we need to change some things in migration. So now let's go to task migration file, and here you need to add one more column, that is soft delete one. So this will create one column in your DB that is with deleted at. So after adding this, let's just quickly migrate our DB. So here write PHP artisan migrate fresh. So here you can see it's migrated. Now let's go and check in DB. So in DB you can see deleted at right now is not present. So let me just refresh, and now you can see deleted at column is present. And after that you need to tell your model that you need to use soft delete rather than just deleting entry. So you need to define that in your model. So here you need to use one trait, that is use soft delete, that will be provided by Laravel only. So you need to include also this soft delete. You can see it's included. And in task controller, in destroy function, there will be no change. This soft delete will be handled by model, as we are deleting a model. So model already know that I need to use soft delete. So now let's add one task. So let's say first task, and description same as well, submit, check in DB. So it's inserted. Now you can see deleted at is null here. So in the starting it will be null only. So now let's go and delete this task. So here write delete task one only. So now let's go to DB, and here you can see now row is present in DB. It's just that deleted at column is updated. So you can see the difference between delete and soft delete. Soft delete is not deleting any entry, it's just updating column, deleted at column. And but delete will just directly delete the entry from DB. So let me add some more tasks here. So let's say second, my first tutorial first, and let's check in DB. So here deleted as null only. So here how you can delete when you are using soft delete, how you can delete a particular entry. So for that you will be using force delete. So now again just go in DB and check. So I have added two more tasks. So now let's just change this delete to force delete. So now let's go to browser and again delete one task. So let's say ID, let's say third. So now let's go and check in DB. So here you can see now third row is deleted as we have used force delete. So this will delete entry from your DB. So soft delete is having one advantage that you can also restore that. So here let's just restore one. So let me just get task with the trash also, and here let's just force delete change to restore. So in DB we have deleted ID 1. So let's just restore it. So I'm just passing same ID 1 only. So here you can see deleted at column again become null. So I have shown you how you can delete and soft delete. So you can see the clear difference that delete will just delete the entry from table and soft delete just update the column of deleted at. So you can use accordingly which one you want to go with. So if you have any doubt, then if you have any doubt related to this topic, then you can comment down in the comment section. And also let me know if you want to create a video on how you can get trash data, how you can restore it, like related to trash. So that's all in this video. I hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.